I don't know about you guys, but if you can see, it is raining. It is a nice rainy day. Most people would be in the bed, huddled up with their boo or a pillow or watching movies. Because, I mean, look at this. It's perfect weather to be just in the house. But me personally, this is where I like to be. I'm going to show you exactly where I like to be when it's raining. Right here. Sitting on my porch, enjoying the sound. Like, listen to that. It is so peaceful. Like, yeah, it ain't sunny, it ain't, you know what I'm saying, bright. But okay, a little rain or a rainy day sometimes is nice. I mean, just look, real nice. Just so yeah, if you ever get a chance and you get a chance to just enjoy the rain and just listen to the sounds and just sit back and think, do it. Cause that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to sit down right here where I'm at and enjoy the rain. I love the sound of the rain.